Hi, this is Brian Davis. I'm the co-founder of Mozen, a cannabis lifestyle brand, and we're here in Del Mar, California at F45, here to introduce members about cannabis and how it can help them with their fitness goals and recovery after a workout. We're driving them to Torrey Holistics here about a mile away, a dispensary that carries the Mozen pen. And this is such a great way for a lot of people to learn about cannabis and how it can help them find their own balance in life in a really simple way. We make it really simple with dots to indicate strength and names like Power Up and Seize the Day and Good Night to understand when and how to use it. We're kind of just really more of a simplistic approach to cannabis and helping people find balance.
I love it for recovery. So for me, I work out, I go hard, my endorphins are pumping. So when I get to go home, I'm just relaxing, unwinding, and it sets for a good night to get a good sleep, and then I can come back and do it the next day.
Yeah.
Oh, it's super convenient. So it makes it nice to just go home, you have it in your bag, in your purse, and you can use it whenever you need to. So relaxing, if you're stressed out, if you're too hyped up and you're trying to go to sleep, it's perfect.
Hey, we had a great time today here at F45 in Del Mar, educating people about Mozen and driving them to Torrey Holistics.
If you're canna curious, follow us on Instagram at GetMozen and DM us your questions and we'll get right back to you.